Now, I'm not someone who normally makes these near-miss videos. I mean, yes, we get them all the time as motorbikers. People do miss us and do not see us, so you always have to ride very defensively. This guy was just cutting the corner on a blind bend, so what a muppet. What makes it more joking is that this car decided to do the same as well. But that's not what really annoyed me. Yes, it did annoy me, but it wasn't the one that I actually reported to the police. Funny thing is, the next clip you're about to see is also from the same ride. And Phil 480 right behind me with his camera on. I didn't have my camera on at all. I feel more sorry for the cyclist. The car driver just completely pulled out on me, but almost squeezed the cyclist into a car. What were you thinking? It's literally got you no further. You're now stuck behind four cyclists. Stupid. Now, this last clip I was about to show you, I went through all the forms to fill in and file a dangerous driving notification, whatever, had the video, filled out all the information, you know, gave it everything to the police via their online services. It's been about 7 weeks now. I've heard nothing back. I got the standard email saying we've received your thing, and they've done nothing. They have seen the video as far as I can tell, because the video did get one view after I uploaded it, and I didn't view it myself. So the video has been viewed by the police or someone, but I only sent that link to one person, and it only went here. It's on a completely... I made a whole separate YouTube channel, uploaded the video there, sent them the video where you can clearly see the license plate if you freeze frame it. I sent them an unedited video clip. Anyway, this is the near miss, which annoyed me so much that I reported it to the police. Now, this was the second or third time I had actually been out on my VFR, so I was still getting used to the bike. This is a 50-mile-an-hour speed limit. We were approaching around 45 this corner. Bit damp day, so I wasn't particularly going for it. And this car, completely on the wrong side of the road. I still don't know how I didn't manage to collide. That proper scared me, though. That really shook me up for about a minute or two, just to... I could feel my heart suddenly skip a beat.
Did it hit you? Yeah, I thought you were gone there.
Like I say, I don't know if anyone else has had these sort of incidences where it's been that close and you report it to the police, and, well, I don't think anything's been done about it. You can see, it might be hard to tell on YouTube, but you can see from the video the reg is S888TEL. Anyway, maybe the police have got something better to do, whatever. I don't hate the police or anything like that, or I don't harbour any resentment or grudges. Maybe they're too busy, who knows. Maybe there's a backlog from all COVID stuff. But when it comes to this driver, that was beyond a joke. And if you do need to report a near miss like this to the police, they do request that you have, I think it's 6 minutes either side or 10 minutes. It might differ between areas, but they want to see a good chunk of time. They want to see the minutes before and a few minutes after the event or the incident happened. Anyway, I don't normally share these sort of near misses because this sort of thing puts you off biking for life, and I try not to do that on this channel. But yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, I just feel a bit frustrated that it wasn't sorted, or nothing has been told to me as of yet, and this is about 7 or 8 weeks now after this incident was happened and reported. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.